everyone, this is Marcos. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your old car stereo Bluetooth audio with this Bluetooth audio car kit, hands-free calls, and you can stream your music on your car stereo. And I'm very happy with this device. This one is actually just $8.88. You can get it at Walmart. Okay, so here's a Bluetooth device. This is where you get a little USB connector so you can charge it or just keep it plugged in. I usually keep it plugged in into my cigarette lighter. I have a little charger in there. And then here's where you answer like you have a phone call, you answer it right here. I have it hooked up to my Bluetooth on my phone, and it's a pretty good device. It actually sounds pretty good for a low price. Now it comes with a audio adapter in here. I guess for newer cars you just plug it into the stereo, but for the older cars you use I use this one right here. So you'll probably purchase this at Walmart as well. And this one you plug it in here and it works real good, as the same as plugging it in to the actual new car stereos. Now the other thing that the only downfall is it does have a battery backup in there if you don't want to use the charger. But on the inside of the battery, if the car is real hot, the battery will become like a balloon, and then they'll pop what happened to this one, it popped the cap open, like as you can see right here. So what I did, I actually went ahead and removed the battery. I cut it. I don't need it. So from here, it still works. Even if you plug it in, you can still use a USB device. And once you do that, you can always put the cap back on. And then once you put the cap back on, you'll be good to go. There you go. So after that, you can always glue it all the way around. The other option that I can give you, sometimes over a while, these things will lose contact. So you kind of have to wiggle it around sometimes. So the other thing you can do is just you can just go ahead and cut it. You peel the two little wires out, and once you take those two wires out, you can put one in here. You have a solder gun, and solder one here, the other one in there, and you shouldn't you'll have like direct contact. You have better connection from there. You don't have to mess with this audio connector and just wiggle it around just to get a better audio. So I recommend that if you have a soldering gun. But yeah, it's a good device, and you can try it out, see how it works on the car. Okay. Okay, so here's my the little Bluetooth device hooked up to my car phone charger. Plug it in. Okay, so now it's hooked up right here. Then let me put the tape in. There you go. As you can see, I have an old car stereo. Alright. So here you just hold the button like at least 4-5 seconds. You should hear the sound. Oh, this one goes right here. Your audio cable. Alright, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So when you get the second beep, that means it's connected to the phone. Now I'm going to show you how it sounds. Right. And the same thing when you get a phone call, you just push it down and then your hands free. You can just talk directly into the device.